Russia shows footage of MLRS Smerch strike positions of the Ukrainian armed forces. Having received the coordinates of the targets, the Smerch MLRS crews of the Central Military District moved to the area of combat use. After taking up firing positions, the servicemen accurately hit the targets at distances of more than 20 kilometers, neutralizing light armored vehicles as well as AFU personnel located in the rear of the defensive lines. Strikes were carried out both in daylight and at night. The high accuracy of the 300mm rockets enables them to destroy ammunition depots, equipment concentrations, command posts, and enemy logistics hubs. The Smerch, also known as Tornado S, is a Russian multiple launch rocket system, MLRS, designed to engage various targets, including enemy artillery, armored vehicles, personnel, and fortified positions. It is known for its long-range capabilities and high firepower. The Smerch MLRS consists of a self-propelled launcher vehicle based on a heavy truck chassis. The launcher vehicle is equipped with a package of 12 or 14 launch tubes that can fire 300mm caliber rockets. These rockets are unguided and carry various types of warheads, including high explosive fragmentation, incendiary, cluster, and thermobaric warheads. The Smerch MLRS is capable of launching its rockets at a range of up to 90 kilometers, depending on the specific rocket type used. It can saturate a large area with rockets, creating a devastating impact on the target area. The system is designed to quickly deliver a heavy barrage of rockets, causing destruction and disorganization among enemy forces. The Smerch MLRS is highly automated, with advanced fire control systems that allow for quick and accurate targeting. It can be operated remotely, minimizing the exposure of the crew to enemy fire. The system also features enhanced mobility, allowing it to rapidly reposition and evade counter-battery fire. The Smerch MLRS has been in service with the Russian military since the 1980s and has also been exported to several other countries. It has been used in various conflicts, including the conflicts in Chechnya, Georgia, and Syria. The system is highly regarded for its firepower and effectiveness in engaging enemy targets over long distances.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.